Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to add pages on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. First, look at the left side menu on your Shopify admin dashboard. Under the Online Store Sales channel, click to expand it and select Pages. In the top right corner of the Pages screen, click the Add Page button. This will open up the page editor. In the title field, type in the name of your page. For example, About Us. Right below that, you have the content box. This is a rich text editor where you can type your page's text, format it, or even add images and videos. On the right side of the screen, under Visibility, you can choose to make the page visible immediately or set it to hidden if you are still working on your draft. Once you are finished adding your text and settings, click the Save button. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add pages on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.